Introducing the 2023 Seat Ateca PA 2.0 TDI 150HP XP in sleek grey. This powerful estate boasts a 2-litre diesel engine with manual transmission, ensuring a smooth ride every time. Packed with comfort and safety features like cruise control, satellite navigation, and multiple airbags. This vehicle is perfect for long journeys or daily commutes. The luxurious interior includes leather trim and plentiful storage options. With advanced security features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Our vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line SUV. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.